Hi guys, this is Muskan and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I review products so you don't have to. Now, if you watch my previous videos, you'll know that I absolutely love lipsticks and I have a soft corner in my heart for liquid lipsticks. I'm very excited to review this one today. It's by Maybelline New York. It's called Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. This lipstick is highly pigmented and it gives you a flawless matte finish. It's smudge-proof and waterproof. It claims to stay over 16 hours. Available in just over 25 plus shades, you'll definitely find the right one for you. The one I'm wearing, it's called Ambitious. Maybelline is definitely one of my go-to brands for lipsticks. It has such a huge variety of formulas and shades. As you know, Maybelline covers a whole range of makeup necessities. It's a brand that you can find in your purse and also a makeup artist kit. Apart from being highly saturated, it's also extremely comfortable on your lips. It'll dry down into a velvet smooth finish. It's also transfer proof. तो अगर आप दिन में कुछ खाएंगे या पिएंगे, ये उस पे जरा भी ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. ये कलर 220 Ambitious. It's a bright red. ये warm red है, तो ये Indian skin tones पे, warm Indian skin tones पे बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. And this one, it's 05 Loyalist. It's a peachy, fleshy nude. इसे आप दिन में पहन सकते हैं and ऑफिस वेयर के लिए परफेक्ट है. लेकिन अगर आपको ये शेड्स पसंद नहीं है, there are 25 shades to choose from. You can see how pigmented the formula was. I could finish the entire application in just one swipe. I did not even have to double dip. Matte lipsticks tend to have a stronger formula than regular lipsticks. That's why they last so much longer. You can see I've been wearing one all day and it hasn't budged. Now when you want to remove this lipstick, I recommend you use the remover that's specifically designed for eyes and lips. Even better if you use the oil-based formula because that will get rid of the lipstick very easily. Just take some on a cotton pad, place it on your lips for 10 to 15 seconds and swipe it off. So if you're looking for a lipstick that's extremely long-lasting matte, that doesn't budge or flake, this one is the one for you. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.